Hello and welcome to another glass polish video. Today we're going to be unboxing our new DIY glass polishing kit. Here at Glass Polish we're making a real conscious effort to be more environmentally friendly. We're ditching all of our old plastic packaging and now using fully recyclable cardboard boxes. As you can see on this box, it's got our shop site, our contact, email and telephone numbers, what the kit contains and what you can expect to remove using this kit. Okay, let's have a little look inside the box. So in this particular kit, this is just our glass DIY polishing kit, is 2 felt velour backed backing pads, our 3-inch backing pad that's suitable for a drill only, our bottle of glass polishing compound, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and last but not least, our step-by-step instructions. Now at Glass Polish we've worked really hard in putting these instructions together to make it as easier for the user as possible. On this particular kit we've narrowed it down to 5 different steps, and we've even added pictures in there to help you. It should be pretty self-explanatory, but at Glass Polish, if you do have any troubles, we do have contact telephone numbers and a contact us email address should you get in any trouble while using this kit. But I can highly recommend give these instructions a quick read through beforehand, before you attempt to remove the damage that you've got there on your glass. So in the kit is a 3-inch backing pad. Now this really easy to put together. Literally we just screw this into the end here. That goes into your drill to tighten up. Then we've got our backing pads, our velour pads, so literally black side to the black side. And then we put a small amount of polish in the middle of the pad, around about the size of a 20p piece to get started. And then away you go. After you feel you've done enough obviously wipe down using the cloth. Like I said, we do have contact details should you wish to get hold of us. On the side there, if you do have any troubles. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and in this video you'll see other links for videos with this actual kit being used. Thanks for watching.